Good afternoon. We've got some scars over that way under the moon. A few scars, a couple of scars over there. Big scar over there. And a little bit of a put up there, left eye one. Swing round over to the sun, and there's one just to the right of the tree. If I can see it right. Where are we? Right across the tree line. Over there. And one just over there to the other side of aerial. I can get it right. And a new one over that way. Somewhere over that way, I can't see a bloody thing. Shouldn't use the viewfinder. And there's another one over this way, if it'll come into being. I'll do that separate. And a new trail being laid there over the Pennines. Underneath that one. Quite a nasty trail. Don't think I've any chance of that, it's miles away. Now using the viewfinder. And the dirty snock rocket over the Pennines is British Airways. Golf, Lima, Charlie, Yankee Yankee. One of those Embraer things. Snot rocket, it's way over Penrith now. It was coming up to Kendal on the west coast. I had no chance of zooming into that, to be honest. And I don't know why I keep trying, to be honest. It's a bit impossible from this distance. We do obviously get some that go straight over the top of us, but there's a lot of distance planes. London to Edinburgh. British Sprayways. And he's the third. I do believe flight radar shows 2 on that course over the Pennines. I'll check them in a second. He's just started spraying. 2 bursts. They know where they're laying, these frigging trails. They know exactly what they're doing. Not as if it's random, is it? Not as random as this bloody focus. And on closer inspection, if I can catch this, up in the trees, I can't hold the focus though. There's those two distinct lines, which filmed a second ago. There's one higher up next to the sun further on, should be visible now, hopefully not obliterated. There's already three up there, and now this dirty bastard's just laid as well. And the second one isn't spraying at the moment, just a normal contrail. There's your difference, contrail and chemtrail. If you can't tell the difference yet, you never will be able to. It's going right through that trail now. There you go, contrail, chemtrail. And there's that first one, London to Los Angeles. Going across the Arctic Circle, which is probably a straight line on a flat earth map. Registration Golf, Victor, November, Yankee, Lima. And the second plane, which may have sped, but it wasn't up to then, it was given a contrail. Delta Airlines, what's a surprise. Paris to Los Angeles. Well, let's have a day out, shall we? There you go. Both on the other side at Pennines, approaching Carlisle.